Here we're setting up your resting experiment. So I have got 3 iron nails here. So we're going to put a nail, into each of the tubes. Okay, note to self, take the bungs off first. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to drop a nail into each of the tubes there. Into the first tube, this is just tap water. So I'm going to put tap water into the first tube there, and I'm going to leave that open to the air as well. Into the second tube, I'm going to put some lumps of calcium chloride here. Now, calcium chloride is a drying agent, and as it's a drying agent, there we go, it does fall down there, it will remove the moisture from the air. So I'm going to put a bung on that so that no more gets in, but the drying agent should remove any moisture, so any water vapour in the air. Now into my final tube here, I have just boiled the kettle here, and into this, you'll be able to see my kettle coming in. So I'm going to pour kettle water into here. Now the kettle water, once you boil the kettle, any dissolved gases in there will come out of solution. So gases are much less soluble in hot solutions than they are in cold solutions. So by boiling, I'm going to have removed the dissolved air. And then to make sure we don't get the gases dissolving back in, I'm going to put a layer of vegetable oil on top. So this, if you see that there, that's just going to sit as a layer on top of my water, and then that's going to block access for the air, basically, so the air can now no longer get to our nail. And then I put a bung on that one as well. So we're going to leave these for a week now, and then we'll come back and we'll have a look and see if we can observe any changes. So we have our nails here after 6 days, and we can have a quick inspection and see what we can observe. So the left hand side, so this was just normal water open to the air as well. We've got a quite seriously rusted nail there. This middle one with our drying agent, so this was exposed to the air, but not any moisture, so no water vapour because the drying agent absorbs it there. So we can see no rusting, perfectly nice shiny nail over there. And then this one over here, so this was where we'd boiled the water to remove any dissolved gases, so any dissolved air, and then we put our layer of oil on top to prevent any further gases dissolving back in. So this is just in contact with water, and there's no rusting in that one either.